if you're new to crypto and you are a total beginner and you've been hearing about the word Web3, but you don't know what it means, it's like you're confused. What is even Web3? Now, allow me to explain all of that to you in a simple term that you're going to understand going forward. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is Blockchainplus. You are welcome to Blockchainplus. Please do well to hit the plus button or the subscribe button so that I subscribe to this channel, and also like this video, give this video a like, and give a comment in this video if you enjoy this video, or drop your question if you have any question, and most importantly, don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also can benefit from content like this. So in a nutshell, what is Web3? Now, before I explain Web3 to you, let's break it down from the beginning. From the beginning, we had Web 1. So Web 1 was easy, it was simple, it was just a read only interface. So in Web 1, you could not do anything. All you just need to do, you go to your system, type, and you just see the plain paper, just like a paper. You just keep reading. You could not do anything on it. All you just need to do is to read whatever the information you have, assimilate it, and you go on. Then move from web 1 to Web 2, where you could actually interact with whatever you're seeing on the internet, like your social media. You could send message, you could like, you understand, for instance, your Facebook, your TikTok, you could give a like, you could send message, you could interact with the internet, you understand. That was Web 2. Now we're moving from Web 2 to Web 3. That is where we are now. In Web 3, Web3 is more robust in the sense that it is now decentralized. Now, the major difference between Web 2 and Web 1 is decentralization and blockchain. So in Web 2, the companies like Facebook, TikTok, Google, YouTube, they own your data because you register with these platforms. You submit your details to them. They ask you about your age, your name, your email address, your phone number, as the case may be. You submit all of these details to them, and they own the data. So they can sell the data to people, and those people can use it to reach out to you, or they can do whatever they wish with the data. But in Web 3, nobody actually owns your data because it is decentralized and it runs on blockchain. So what that means is that you own your data, you understand, and then you also control your information. So Web3 provides you with the blockchain, you understand, which is a public address. Then they also provide you with crypto, which is the digital money that you use in Web3. Then they provide you with the wallet, which is your digital bank, and also smart contract. So all of these things, you actually own and control it yourself in Web3. Now, there are a lot of benefits of dealing with Web3. So in Web3, you can actually send money anonymously to somebody. You can invest on yourself, by yourself, in any wallet that you choose without anybody knowing that you are actually investing. And then also you can trade, you can do a lot of things on your own in Web3. So that is the most important thing that makes Web3 different from the Web2 that we used to know. Now, like I said, there are a lot of things and benefits that you have with Web3, but this is just to introduce you to what Web3 really is and what you can do with Web3. There are Web3 jobs that you can actually do. There are a lot of things. There are companies that are running on Web3. There are people looking for people who can help them build or manage whatever they have in the Web3 space. You understand? So if you understand Web3 very well, there are a lot of opportunities also out there for you in the Web3. And I will not put everything in this video, of course. So this is just for me to explain to you that has been asking about Web3, what Web3 really is. Now, if you want to understand the benefits of Web3, how to make use of, maximize Web3, how to actually make money in the Web3 space, or even get a stable job in the Web3 space, then you should subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification icon, because in my subsequent videos, I'll be dropping tips and guides that will help you actually become better in the Web3 space and also become successful in the Web3 space. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain Blessed.